Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinauer, and I want to share with you an awesome story. We're spotlighting a patient of ours who's 32 years old and came to us kind of in an unfortunate way. She has a big heart, so she was doing a charity event, a boxing charity event. She sustained an injury to her head, which resulted in her having a stroke and losing some of her vision. And so imagine that you're doing something for the good of a lot of people and then this sort of thing happens. So we've been working with her for about 2 months to help restore her visual field that she lost as a result of this injury and stroke. And here's what's really cool. We have a visual field of her, which we'll zoom in on. And this is one eye. We'll show you the result of the same eye a couple months later, but this is prior to us working with her back in April. And everywhere that you see black is area that she can't see. If there's like a lighter shading, kind of like a gray area, then she can see in there a little bit. But you can see that this is largely all black on that side. And then we have the comparison, which is it's on different paper here color-wise because she took a photo of it with her phone. But if you zoom in here and we look at this again, this was in August. We even have the dates here. So we started working with her in June, and this is August, and this is April before she ever even started working with us. But now, all of this area here that was once black before is shaded in kind of gray tones. She's gaining back her visual field in all of those areas after just 2 months of working with our clinic to help restore her visual field. Now we're using vision therapy and photosyntonic light therapy specifically aimed at gaining back her visual field. And so it's super exciting that after just 2 months that she's gaining back so much visual field and is seeing such significant amounts of improvement. So if you have had a stroke or a head injury, or you know someone who has had that, and they've lost maybe some of their visual field, some of their eyesight as a result of that, there are things that can be done. That can actually, some of it, we don't know how much, depends, can potentially be restored. And this patient is proof of that, and it's so exciting, and we're so thrilled for her. And we're also really thrilled for other people that seem like they don't think there's any hope for them. So for more information, go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com, and you can learn there about more of what we do with these patients. And then if you happen to be a doctor or a therapist, we have a really cool Facebook training page called Next Level, and you want to check that out too. Thank you so much.